Hi everyone, I'm just making a little video here to update you on some things in science. I hope all of you are doing well in these challenging times that we're in, but also recognize that this is a great opportunity to try something new and learn in a different way. First off, I wanted to talk a little bit about third quarter. So essentially, third quarter is finished. If you have missing assignments in Infinite Campus, you have the next 2 weeks to work on getting those assignments turned in, and I'll be updating your grades. So right now, teachers are actually not presenting new material. We were given 2 weeks by the state of Minnesota to work on creating an awesome distance learning plan. That's actually what we're working on today and all this week and next week. So if you have missing assignments, you can use this time to work on those assignments and submit them into Schoology, and I'll get those graded. For anybody that didn't take the test before break, if you want to take that test, which you should, please send me a message in Schoology and I'll get that set up for you. I'm not doing retakes right now. This is just for people that never had an opportunity to take the test. A couple things for you to think about while you're on your continued break here before school starts again. We're going to be learning kind of in a new and exciting way. We're going to be using distance learning. So we're going to be staying in contact with each other in some new, exciting different ways. Some of the tools we're going to be using that you could go learn a little bit about if you'd like to, or if you're bored, we're going to be using Flipgrid, which is kind of a video discussion app, which is pretty neat. We're going to be using Nearpod, which we've used in class a little bit. We're going to be using Google Meet to have live meetings between students if we need to. And then we're also going to be having online discussions. And also just keep in mind, since this is distance learning, you should take this time to make sure you get your technology ready for distance learning. So your iPad will be primarily what you'll be using. Make sure you know where your charger is and that it's charged and that's working correctly. If you also have other forms of technology, you can use a computer. You could even use your phone. It wouldn't be ideal. If you don't have access to technology, what you should do is talk to your parents and have them contact Faribault Middle School, the office, so that we know that you need technology and the school district is putting plans in place to get people technology that don't have access to it. There's also access to free internet. And again, contact the Faribault Middle School to access that if you're in need of that. So again, I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you in a few weeks here. All your teachers are working super hard on creating something new and exciting for you for fourth quarter, and we're going to have a great rest of the school year. So hang in there, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.